Everyone thinks the best-selling broom for pet hair is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Kelame Self-Cleaning Broom. First up is the Kelame Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set. At $25.99, it's a bestseller, and honestly, the self-cleaning feature caught my eye. If you want a hassle-free way to handle pet hair, this is worth a serious look. This broom features an extendable pole that allows you to adjust the height from 38 to 50 inches. This means you can sweep comfortably without bending over, which is a huge relief if you're cleaning up after your furry friends. The heavy-duty bristles are made from recycled materials, providing a strong sweep while being environmentally friendly. Plus, the self-cleaning dustpan has built-in teeth, so you can easily remove hair from the bristles with just a pull. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of comfort, eco-friendliness, and ease of cleaning means less time spent on chores and more time enjoying your pets. Now, some people complain that the bristles can wear down over time. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for regular sweeping rather than heavy-duty scrubbing, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable broom without the backache. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra heavy-duty for outdoor use. For the price, it offers fantastic value for a pet owner. Now, if the self-cleaning feature isn't a big concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ivandar Broom with Dustpan. Next, we have the Ivandar Broom with Dustpan Combo Set priced at $21.28. This one stood out due to its adjustable handle and effective pet hair removal. If you're tired of bending down while cleaning, this deserves your attention. The Ivandar broom features an adjustable handle, allowing you to find the perfect height for your comfort, making sweeping so much easier. The heavy-duty bristles are designed to effectively grab dust and pet hair, especially with its large-capacity dustpan. The built-in comb teeth on the dustpan are a game changer, allowing you to scrape off hair quickly without getting your hands dirty. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a broom that's easy to use and efficient in picking up hair, you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. However, some users mention that the dustpan can sometimes spill debris if not aligned correctly. But honestly, with a little practice, it's manageable and the ease of use outweighs this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly broom that doesn't require bending. Skip it if you prefer a broom specifically designed for heavy-duty outdoor use. For its price, it's a solid choice for pet owners. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling stubborn pet hairs. Product number 3, O-Cedar Pet Pro Broom. Third on the list is the O-Cedar Pet Pro Broom with Step-On Dustpan priced at just $13.99. I was genuinely surprised by how effective this broom is at picking up pet hair. If you want a budget-friendly broom that delivers, this is worth considering. This broom uses a dual bristle technology, which means the firm bristles handle the larger debris while the softer bristles catch the dust and hair. It's designed to clean 99% of pet hair in just one sweep, which is perfect for busy pet owners. The Step-On Dustpan is another cool feature that allows you to release hair into the trash with just a tap, so you don't have to touch any mess. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you need something quick and effective, this broom makes cleaning up after your pet's a breeze. Now, some users pointed out that the broom can feel a bit lightweight, leading to concerns about durability. But I'll be real with you, for regular household use, it holds up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-handle broom that won't break the bank. Skip this if you need something more heavy-duty for outdoor spaces. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for pet owners. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more versatility, this next broom might catch your eyes. Product number 4, Eyeliden Angle Broom. Fourth up is the Eyeliden Angle Broom with a long 57-inch handle priced at $18.98. This one really caught my attention because of its versatility. If you're looking for a broom that can handle both indoor and outdoor cleaning, this is a great option. The Eyeliden broom features a special split-end bristle technology, which captures both heavy debris and fine dust. The 45-degree angle design makes it easy to sweep into corners, which is especially helpful for those pesky pet hairs that love to hide. Plus, the durable steel handle means you won't have to worry about it bending or breaking. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have different surfaces to clean, from your patio to your living room, this broom adapts easily without losing efficiency. However, a few users mentioned that it could be a bit heavy for prolonged use. But here's the thing, if you're looking for something that gets the job done effectively, this is a minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, all-around broom. Skip this if you prefer something lightweight for quick cleanups. For its price, it's a solid investment for versatility. Now, if you want something specifically designed for pet hair removal, wait till you hear about the last option. Product number 5, Fancy Mouse Carpet Rake. Lastly, we have the Fancy Mouse Carpet Rake for pet hair removal, priced at $27.99. This one is a bit different, but if you've got stubborn pet hair and carpets, it's definitely worth a look. The dual-action cleaning system starts with a metal head that scrapes and loosens embedded hair, followed by a silicone brush that gently gathers the remaining fur. This means you're not just cleaning the surface, you're getting deep down into your carpets. It works on various surfaces like tiles, wood, and upholstery, making it really versatile. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your pets leave behind a lot of hair in carpets or on furniture, this tool is designed to tackle that challenge head-on. However, some users noted that it might take a few swipes to fully remove stubborn hair. But honestly, I think the thoroughness of the cleaning makes it worth a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you have pets and struggle with hair in carpets or upholstery. Skip this if you mainly need a broom for hard surfaces. For its price, the value is clear if you deal with pet hair regularly. To wrap up, each of these brooms has its strengths. From the self-cleaning features of the Calamay to the deep cleaning capabilities of the Fancy Mouse, you have options based on your specific needs. So there you have it. The Calamay and Ivandar are great for general use, while the O-Cedar stands out for budget-friendly efficiency. The Eyeliden is perfect for versatility, and the Fancy Mouse is a must-have for deep carpet cleaning. Consider your specific needs and choose the one that fits best.